SEO versus GEO in 2026. Is traditional SEO still enough? Is SEO dead? Has ChatGPT replaced Google? Should businesses stop investing in traditional search optimization and move all their attention toward artificial intelligence? Or are we asking the wrong question? Because perhaps the real question is not whether SEO will survive. Perhaps the real question is this: how must SEO evolve when customers no longer receive only a list of links, but increasingly receive direct generated answers? Welcome to the Shahan Behkamrad Educational Podcast. I'm Shahan Behkamrad, entrepreneur, founder of Shahan Digital, and SEO and GEO strategist. In this episode, we are going to answer one of the most important questions facing entrepreneurs, founders, and marketing leaders today. Is traditional SEO still enough in 2026? And more importantly, what should your business actually do about GEO, artificial intelligence search, ChatGPT, Google's AI-powered experiences, and the next generation of search? Let us begin with the most important statement in this episode. SEO is not dead, but SEO is changing, and businesses that understand this change early may build a significant advantage over those that continue using the same strategies without asking how customer behavior is evolving. So what is changing? For many years, the search journey was relatively simple. A user entered a query. The search engine displayed a list of results. The user selected a website. The website received the visit, and the business attempted to convert that visit into a lead, customer, or sale. But now that journey may look very different. A user can ask an AI system a complex question. The system may search across multiple sources. It may compare information. It may summarize different perspectives. It may produce a direct answer. And it may cite only a small number of brands, experts, or web pages. That creates a new commercial question. What happens when your potential customer receives an answer but never sees your traditional search result? And what happens when the AI system mentions your competitor but not your business? This is where GEO enters the conversation. GEO means Generative Engine Optimization. In simple language, GEO is the process of improving how clearly and credibly your brand, expertise, and content can be understood and referenced by AI-powered search and answer systems. But does that mean GEO replaces SEO? No, GEO does not replace SEO. It builds on top of it. Think about it this way. SEO helps search systems discover your pages. GEO helps generative systems understand the knowledge inside those pages. SEO helps you compete for rankings and organic visibility. GEO helps your information become useful, extractable, trustworthy, and reference-worthy inside generated answers. SEO focuses heavily on whether your page can be found. GEO also asks whether your information deserves to be used. And that difference is extremely important because a page can be technically accessible, but still be unclear. It can rank for keywords, but still provide weak explanations. It can receive traffic, but still fail to establish authority. It can mention the right topic, but offer nothing new, specific, verifiable, or valuable. So, should entrepreneurs now build two completely separate strategies? One strategy for SEO and another strategy for GEO? In most cases, no. The strongest approach is to build one integrated search visibility system, a system that makes your business discoverable, understandable, verifiable, reference-worthy, and commercially relevant. Let us break this system into 4 essential layers. Layer 1, technical accessibility. The first question is simple. Can search and AI systems access your content? Because before your content can rank, before it can be summarized, before it can be cited. It must first be available. Your important pages should load correctly. They should be indexable. They should return the correct status codes. They should not be accidentally blocked. They should not depend on broken scripts, confusing redirects, or inaccessible content. Your website architecture should make important pages easy to find. Your internal links should show how your services, articles, guides, and commercial pages are connected. Your sitemap should support discovery. Your canonical tags should identify the preferred version of each page. And your security systems should protect the website without unnecessarily blocking legitimate crawlers. This sounds technical, but for a business owner, the commercial meaning is straightforward. If machines cannot access your knowledge, they cannot present it to potential customers. Technical SEO therefore remains the foundation. Without that foundation, GEO has very little to work with. Layer 2, topical relevance. The second question is, does your website answer the questions your customers are genuinely asking? Not only the highest volume keywords, not only broad industry topics, and not only the questions that are easiest to turn into articles, real customer questions. What problem are they experiencing? Why is that problem happening? What solutions are available? What alternatives are they comparing? What risks are they worried about? What evidence do they need before making a decision? And what would make them trust one provider over another? A strong content system should cover the entire decision-making journey. For example, imagine a company that provides international SEO services. A potential customer may ask, why is our website not performing in other countries? Should we use separate domains or subfolders? Do we need different keyword research for every language? Can we simply translate our English content? How should Arabic and English SEO work together? How do we measure performance in each market? Which market should we enter first? These are not random content ideas. Together, they form a structured body of knowledge around a real commercial service. That is what both users and search systems need. They need enough clarity to understand not only what your business sells, but what your business truly understands. Layer 3, evidence and trust. Now we reach one of the most important parts of GEO. Why should an AI system trust your information? Why should a customer trust it? And why should either of them choose your explanation over hundreds of similar pages? The answer is not to repeatedly call yourself an expert. Trust is not created by writing. We are the best. We are the leading agency. We provide world-class solutions. Those statements are easy to publish. But are they supported? Real trust is built through evidence, clear authorship, accurate information, transparent explanations, original experience, reliable sources, consistent brand details, case studies, examples, limitations, and honest language. If you present a statistic, identify where it came from. If you describe a successful strategy, explain the conditions that made it successful. If you recommend a method, clarify when it may not work. If the outcome depends on competition, budget, technical resources, or execution quality, say so. Confidence is useful, but unsupported certainty reduces trust. For entrepreneurs, this means your website should not simply make claims. It should help people verify those claims. Who wrote the content? What experience supports it? When was it reviewed? What examples are provided? What evidence is available? Are the company details consistent across the website, LinkedIn, YouTube, podcasts, industry profiles, and other credible sources? In the age of AI-powered search, brand consistency is not only a branding issue, it is an information quality issue. Layer 4, answerability. Now ask another question. Can your content be easily understood? Can someone quickly identify the main answer? Can a machine distinguish the definition, evidence, example, limitation, and recommendation? Strong answerability does not mean every article should be short. It means the information should be structured clearly. Begin with the primary question. Answer it directly. Then provide context. Use descriptive headings. Define technical language. Break complex processes into logical steps. Use comparisons when users are comparing options. Use tables when the information becomes easier to evaluate visually. Use frequently asked questions when those questions are genuine and useful. Add examples, explain exceptions, and give the reader a logical next step. Imagine two articles answering the same question. The first article contains 2,000 words of general discussion before reaching the answer. The second article begins with a clear answer, explains why, presents evidence, shows an example, describes the limitations, and provides practical actions. Which article is more useful to a business owner? And which article is easier for a search or AI system to understand? Usually the second one. Answerability is not about writing for machines instead of people. It is about communicating so clearly that both people and machines can understand the value of the information. Ranking is not the same as being cited. This brings us to an important distinction. What is the difference between ranking and being cited? A ranking means your web page appears in a particular position for a search query. A citation means your information or web page is referenced as a supporting source within an AI-generated response. These outcomes are connected, but they are not identical. A page with strong search visibility may have a greater opportunity to be discovered, but a high ranking does not automatically guarantee that the page will be cited. Why? Because generative systems may evaluate sections of information, not only complete pages. They may look for a clear definition, a useful comparison, a credible statistic, a specific explanation, or an answer that directly supports one part of the generated response. This means a page should not only be optimized around one broad keyword. It should contain several clearly expressed, useful, and supportable insights. Your page may need to answer what is the concept, why does it matter, how does it work, what are the benefits, what are the limitations, who is it suitable for, how does it compare with alternatives, what should a business do next. That depth creates more opportunities for the content to support different questions. What should entrepreneurs do now? Should you stop your current SEO strategy? No. Should you create hundreds of AI-focused pages immediately? No. Should you panic because every platform is changing? Absolutely not. The right response is structured improvement. Here is a practical 90-day plan. The first 30 days, protect the foundation. Begin with your most important commercial pages. Check whether they are accessible, indexable, and technically healthy. Review your website structure. Strengthen internal links. Remove accidental blocks. Resolve duplicate page issues. Check mobile usability. Test forms and conversion paths. Review whether your pages clearly explain the service, audience, process, value, evidence, and next step. Do not begin by chasing every new AI trend. Begin by protecting the digital assets that already matter to your business. Days 31 to 60, strengthen the information system. Identify the most important questions customers ask before buying. Group those questions around your main products and services. Review your existing content. Which questions have already been answered? Which answers are weak? Which pages contradict one another? Which articles attract traffic but support no commercial objective? Which important topics are missing? Strengthen your topic clusters, connect educational content to service pages, improve headings, add direct answers, include examples, clarify the language, remove unnecessary repetition, and make every page serve a clear purpose. Days 61 to 90. Improve GEO readiness. Now evaluate your content from the perspective of an answer engine. Are important statements clear? Are claims supported? Are authors identifiable? Are dates accurate? Are company details consistent? Can a reader distinguish fact from opinion? Does the page contain original insight? Is the answer easy to extract without losing its meaning? Can someone verify the information, then begin measuring more than traditional rankings? Track organic visibility. Track referral traffic, track branded searches, track mentions and citations where data is available, track which pages introduce customers to your brand, track assisted conversions, track qualified inquiries, and most importantly, connect visibility with business outcomes. Because the objective is not to become visible inside every AI answer, the objective is to become visible in the answers that influence your potential customers. The business risk of ignoring GEO. What happens if a business ignores these changes? It may continue ranking for some keywords. It may continue receiving traffic, but competitors may become more visible across AI-generated discovery journeys. Their explanations may be cited, their brand may be mentioned, their frameworks may shape how customers understand the market. And by the time the customer visits a website, the competitor may already have established trust. This does not mean every AI mention creates a sale, but visibility influences familiarity. Familiarity influences trust, and trust influences commercial decisions. The greater risk is not that SEO suddenly disappears. The greater risk is that customer discovery evolves, while your digital strategy does not. The business risk of chasing GEO without SEO. But there is another risk. What happens when companies chase GEO without having a strong SEO foundation? They may publish large amounts of AI generated content, they may add unnecessary schema. They may create pages for every possible question. They may talk constantly about AI visibility, while their website remains slow, confusing, technically weak, and commercially ineffective. That is not innovation. That is distraction. Geo cannot rescue a weak website. It cannot replace real expertise. It cannot compensate for poor customer experience. And it cannot create commercial value when the business has no clear offer, conversion path, or measurement system. The correct approach is balance. Final takeaway. So, is traditional SEO still enough in 2026? By itself, traditional SEO may no longer represent the complete search opportunity, but it remains the essential foundation. SEO makes your business discoverable, GEO makes your knowledge understandable and reference worthy. SEO helps your pages compete in search results. GEO helps your information compete inside generated answers. SEO supports access, relevance, structure, and authority. GEO extends those strengths into emerging AI-powered experiences. You do not need to choose between SEO and GEO. You need to connect them. Before investing in a new strategy, ask, can search systems access our content? Can they understand what we know? Can customers verify our claims? Do we answer real commercial questions? Is our brand information consistent? Does our content offer something original? And can we connect visibility with leads, customers, and revenue? When those answers are clear SEO and GEO stop being competing marketing terms. They become two parts of the same digital growth system. The future does not belong to businesses that chase every new platform. It belongs to businesses that create useful information, build credible brands, develop strong digital infrastructure, and remain valuable wherever customers search. I'm Shahan Behkamrad. Thank you for listening to the Shahan Behkamrad Educational Podcast. Keep learning, keep questioning assumptions, think strategically, and build search systems that continue creating value even as technology changes.